Hello friends, this is a continuation of the chapter polynomials. Here we will try to solve some problems using identities. Okay, let us first go to the first problem. Use suitable identities to find the following products. I have been given x plus 4 into x plus 10. Now, which identity does this resemble? It resembles x plus a into x plus b, which is nothing but x squared plus a plus b the whole into x plus ab. Okay, so I will apply this identity to this sum. So I get x squared plus a plus b. So 4 plus 10 the whole into x plus ab 4 into 10. Okay. So what do I get? I will get x squared plus 14x plus 40. So that is the answer for this factorization. Okay. The next is x plus 8 into x minus 10. So it is nothing but x squared plus a plus b. What is a in this case? 8. A is 8 and b is minus 10. So 8 plus of minus 10 is 8 minus 10, which is minus 2x, plus 8 into minus 10 is minus 80. I hope you get it. Okay. The next one is 3x plus 4 into 3x minus 5. Now here my x is of the form 3x. So x squared will be 3x squared plus a plus b. 4 plus of minus 5 is 4 minus 5 into 3x. It is not x here, it is 3x into 3x plus 4 into minus 5. So 9x squared, 3x will become 9x squared plus 4 minus 5 is minus 1. Minus 1 into 3x into minus 20. This is nothing but 9x squared minus 3x minus 20. I hope you understood how we solve this problem. Okay. Now we'll go to the next problem. Y squared plus 3 by 2 into y squared minus 3 by 2. This is of the form x plus y into x minus y is equal to x squared minus y squared. So, what is my x in this case? X is equal to y squared, or I can take it as a plus b into a minus b equal to a squared minus b squared. So in that case a will be equal to y squared and your b will be equal to 3 by 2. So x squared minus y squared or a squared minus b squared will be y squared the whole squared minus 3 by 2 squared, which is nothing but y power 4 minus 3 by 2 squared is 9 by 4. I hope you understood how we solve this problem. Now 3 minus 2x into 3 plus 2x. This is of the form a plus b into a minus b, which is equal to a squared my b squared, where my a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 2x. So a squared will be 3 the whole squared minus 2x the whole squared. So it is nothing but 9 minus 4x squared. I hope you understood this. Now we'll go to the next problem. Evaluate without multiplying directly. 103 into 107 without multiplying directly. By using identities we have to solve this problem. Now how can I write 103? I can write it as 100 plus 3 and 107 as 100 plus 7. So this is of the form x plus a into x plus b. I hope you get it. X plus a into x plus b is nothing but x squared plus a plus b x plus ab. I hope you get it. So we have made use of it. Here my x is nothing but 100. A is equals to 3 and b equal to 7. Okay. So I will write x squared will be 100 squared plus 3 plus 7. Okay, 3 plus 7 into x, so into 100 plus 3 into 7. This is nothing but 1 followed by 4 zeros plus 3 plus 7 is 10. 10 into 100 is 1000 plus 21. If I add them together, I'll get 1121. Okay, or other words 11,021. That is the answer to this problem. Now we'll go to the next problem. That is, without actually multiplying, you have to solve this 95 into 96. This can be written as 100 minus 5 into 100 minus 4. Once again, this is of the form x plus a into x plus b. I hope you know how we solve it. So here my x is nothing but 100. X is equals to 100. A equal to minus 5 and b equals to minus 4. Okay. So first I will write x squared. X squared is 100 squared plus minus 5 minus 4 into 100 plus minus 5 into minus 4. So 100 the whole squared will be 10,000. This minus 5 and minus 4 is minus 9. So it will be minus 900, then plus I'll have 20. Okay, so now let me first subtract these two things. From 10,000 I have to subtract 900. I will get 9,100. To that if I add 20, I'll get 9,120. Okay, I hope you have understood this. The next problem is 104 into 96. This can be written as 100 plus 4 into 100 minus 4. Now what is the identity it resembles? It resembles a plus b into a minus b, which is equal to a squared minus b squared. Here a is 100 and b is 4. So it is 100 squared minus 4 squared, or in other words it is minus 16. Now let us subtract it. I have got 10,000 minus 16 is nothing but it is 4899. Okay, so it is 9984. Okay, now the next sum is factorize the following using identities. What is given? 9x squared plus 6xy plus y squared. Now what does it resemble? It resembles x plus y the whole squared equal to x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. I can write my 9x squared as 3x the whole squared plus 2 into 3x into y plus y squared. So this is of the form 3x plus y the whole squared. So this is how we solve this problems using identities. Now 4y squared minus 4y plus 1. This resembles the identity a minus b the whole squared, which is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So this is nothing but my a will be equal to 2y and b will be equal to 1. So I will write 2y the whole squared minus of 2ab. So 2 into 2y into 1 plus 1. This is nothing but 2y minus 1 the whole squared. If you are strong in the identities, that is if you know the formulas by God, you can understand them even easily. Okay. Now x squared minus y squared by 100. This is of the form a squared minus b squared, which is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Here my a is equal to x and b equal to y by 10. So I can write it as x minus y by 10 into x plus y by 10. Okay. Now expand using identities. Now what have been given? We have given x plus 2y plus 4x the whole squared. What is the expansion of this? X plus y plus z the whole squared equal to x squared plus y squared plus z squared plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Okay, so I have my x is as it is, y is nothing but 2y and z is 4z. So it is x squared plus 2y squared plus 4z squared plus 2 into x into 2y plus 2 into 2y into 4z plus 2 into x into 4z. This is nothing but x squared plus 4y squared plus 16z squared plus 2 into 2 is 4. So it is 4xy. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 4 is 16. So it is 16yz plus 2 into 4 is 8. 8zx. So this is how we solve the problem using identities. Now we'll go to the next problem, that is 2x minus y plus z the whole squared. This resembles the formula x plus y plus z the whole squared, isn't it? So here my x is 2x. So 2x the whole squared plus of minus y the whole squared plus z squared plus 2 into xy. So 2 into 2x into minus y plus 2 into minus y into z plus 2 into 2x into z. This is nothing but what is 2x the whole squared? It is 4x squared plus y squared plus z squared minus 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into minus xy. So it is 4xy minus 4xy, and the next term is minus 2yz plus 2 into 2 is 4, 4zx. I hope you understood this. Now we'll do another problem. 1 by 4, 1 by 4a minus 1 by 2b plus 1 the whole squared. This is of the form x plus y plus z the whole squared equal to x squared plus y squared plus z squared plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Okay, so this is of that form. So now what is my x in this case? It is 1 by 4a. So it is 1 by 4a the whole squared plus minus 1 by 2b the whole squared plus z is 1 squared plus 2 into 1 by 4a into minus 1 by 2b plus 2 into minus 1 by 2b into 1 plus 2 into 1 by 4a into 1. So what is 1 by 4a the whole squared? It is 1 by 16 the whole squared plus 1 by 4b squared plus 1. Now 2 into this I get it as 1 by 4ab. Then I have in this I have minus b plus then this I have as 1 by 2a. So this is the answer for this identity. Now factorize 4x squared plus 9y squared plus 16x squared plus 12xy minus 24yz minus 16xz. Now this is of the form 4x squared can be written as 2x the whole squared, 9y squared can be written as 3y the whole squared, and 16x is nothing but minus 4z. Why did I take here minus? Because I get here 1 minus and here 1 minus. Okay, so it is minus 4z the whole squared plus 2 into 2x into 3y plus 2 into 3y minus 4z plus 2 into 2x minus 4z. Okay, I hope you understood. So this is nothing but 2x plus 3y minus 4z the whole squared. That is the answer to this problem. Now we have to use another identity now, the cubes. Okay, a plus b the whole cubed is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared. So I have been given 2x plus 1 the whole cube. In this case a is equal to 2x and b equal to 1. So a cube plus b cubed, 2x cube plus 1 cube plus 3 into 2x the whole squared into 1 plus 3 into 2x into 1. So what is 2x cubed? It is 8x cubed plus 1 plus 3 into 4x squared. So it is 12x squared plus 3 into 6, 3 into 2 is 6 into 6x. So that is the answer for this identity. The next one is 2a minus 3b the whole cubed it is. So what is the formula? A minus b the whole cubed which is equal to a cubed minus b cubed minus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared. So I will write here my a is nothing but 2a and b is 3b. So 2a cubed minus 3b cubed minus of 3 into 2a squared into 3b plus 3 into 2a into 3b the whole squared. Okay, so this is nothing but what is 2a cubed? It is 8a cubed minus of 3b the whole cubed is nothing but 27b. 3 into 3 is 9, 9 into 3 is 27. Here 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are, no this is 4. So 3 into 4 is 12, 12 into 3 is 36. 36 a squared b plus 3 into 2 is 6, 6 into 9 is 54. 54 ab squared. I hope you understood this. Now evaluate using suitable identities. 99 the whole cube. This can be written as 100 minus 1 the whole cube. What is it? 100 cube minus 1 cube minus 3 into 100 the whole squared into 1 plus 3 into 100 into 1 squared. Note what is 100 cubed? It is 1 followed by 6 zeros. Okay. So it is that one minus 1 minus 3 into 100 squared. So it is 3 followed by 4 zeros plus 300. Okay. So if I add all of them and I have to subtract 1. So if I add this number, that is 10 lakhs with 30,000, I will get, I add them both, then I add 300 and subtract 1, I get 970,299. I hope you get. So first if I add 1, yes, wait 1 minute, we'll add it. I'll just show how we add it. So I'll get, to this I have to add, I have to 299. Okay, no, this I have to subtract, I'm sorry. So if I subtract, I will get 970,000. To this I have to add 299. So I will get this answer. I hope you get it. Okay, so this is how we solve this equation. Now we'll go to the next one. That is, you have to factorize 8a cubed plus b cubed plus 12a squared b plus 6ab squared. This is nothing but the expansion of a plus b the whole cubed. Okay. So 8a cubed can be written as 2a the whole cubed plus b cubed plus 3 into 2a squared into b plus 3 into 2a into b squared. That is 12a squared b can be written like this. 6ab can be, ab squared can be written like this. So nothing but it denotes 2a plus b the whole cube. I hope you understood this. Similarly for this, it is 27 can be written as 3 cubed. 125 can be written as 5a the whole cubed. So this is nothing but 3 minus 5a the whole cubed. So this is nothing but minus 3 into 3 squared into 5a plus 3 into 3 into 5a the whole squared. 225 is nothing but 3 into 3 into 5a the whole squared. 135 is nothing but 3 into 3 squared into 5a. Okay. Now we have to prove this identity. X cube plus y cubed is equal to x plus y into x squared minus xy plus y squared. So first let us take the RHS. X plus y into x squared minus xy plus y squared. First we multiply x with all the terms. So it's nothing but x cubed minus x squared y plus xy squared. Now we'll multiply with y. It will be x squared y minus xy squared plus y cubed. The like terms will get cut. All these terms will get cut and I get x cubed plus y cubed, which is the LHS. You all of you, the more and more problems you will do, you will become even more stronger in your concepts. Okay. So now we'll factorize 27y cubed plus 125x cubed. Now what is the identity we use here? X cubed plus y cubed is equal to x plus y into x squared minus xy plus y squared. The identity which we solved now, the same thing we are using here. So 27y cubed is nothing but 3y the whole cubed and 125x cubed is nothing but 5x the whole cube. So x plus y. So it is 3y plus 5x into x squared. 3y squared minus 3y into 5x plus y squared. So when I solve the problem, I get 3y plus 5x into 9y squared minus 15xy plus 25x squared. I hope you get. Similarly, we make use of 64n cubed minus 343n cubed. So we make use of the same identity over here. Here what is my x? It is 4m the whole cubed minus 7n the whole cubed. This is nothing but 4m minus 7n into 4m squared plus 4m into 7n plus 7n the whole squared. Okay. So this is nothing but 4m minus 7n into 16m squared plus 28mn plus 49n squared. I hope you understood how we got it. Now we'll factorize another problem. 27x cubed plus y cubed plus z cubed minus 9xy. What identity does it resemble? It resembles a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3xyz is equals to a plus b plus c into a squared plus b squared plus c squared minus ab minus bc and minus ca. So here my a is nothing but 3x, y is y and z is as it is. So we can write this as 3x the whole cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3 into 3x into y into z is equals to 3x plus y plus z into 3x the whole squared plus y squared plus z squared minus 3xy minus yz minus 3zx. Okay, zxz. Okay, 3zx. Okay, this is nothing but 3xy plus y plus z into 9x squared plus y squared plus z squared minus 3xy minus yz minus 3xz. So this is how we solve problems in your polynomials. So please keep on trying many problems so that you can understand the concepts even better. Thank you, friends.